Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I'm setting up my planners for August. I'm going to first start in my Catchall planner and pre-plan for the month. I have my little sticky note notebook. I'm actually going to use the KellofaPlan sticky notes. I really like these. And jot down some things that are happening. Okay, so first off, it is my nephew's birthday on the 18th. And we're actually going to Disney this day too, actually these 2 days. So I'm just gonna take some sticky notes and note that in here. All right, so Aiden's birthday. Disney Day. And Disney Day. 18 and 19. Okay. So, oh, I think it is Planner Day the 1st? I think it's National Planner Day. I think, I'm pretty sure. That's very important in our community. So I'm gonna put this right here. If I'm wrong, I can switch it around, but I think it's the 1st. Okay, I'm trying to think. I think these were the only days I requested off from work for this day. I think that's it. It's a very light month, but a very exciting month because I get to go to Disney for 2 days in a row. We're actually going to stay out there, and that way we have a hotel room to go to. It's going to be so hot. So we can go to the hotel room while, like, during the day when it starts getting hot, relax, and then go back at night. Because we usually go in the morning for rope drop at like 8. And by the time, like, the sun goes down, we're exhausted. And I really want to be at Disney at night because, you know, with all the lights and stuff, it's really pretty. So I'm excited for that. Okay. And I believe we're staying 2 days in the hotel and coming back Sunday. All right. I think that's it for important days. I do want to note some bills. So I'm going to grab a different sticky note. Let's do, I haven't used these. This one's kind of messed up. Okay, so I'm just gonna note some bills, which I have one here, well, I have a couple here. I have rent and Chase here. And then here, Echo. Verizon, which I just paid off my phone. So now my phone bill is like $25 less, which is really exciting. Love that. And let's see. I only put down like the big bills in here. What were the other ones? I think that's it. Okay. And then, oh, another exciting thing this month is that there are 5 paydays. Yeah, 5 paydays. Actually, I've been getting paid on Tuesday. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 paydays this month. That's exciting. So, like in the budgeting world, in the cash envelope world, they call that like a magic month. So that's going to be fun to have that many paydays. I want to note that though. I don't have like a really small sticky note. So, how am I going to note that? Okay, so I have these dot stickers. They're like washi stickers. I'm just going to use these because they're easy to take off. So I'm just going to Just put a couple of these on the page. Oops. I just like to visually see, like, oops, I messed that one up, where the bills are compared to like my paydays. For instance, like this bill will get paid with this paycheck, these bills will get paid with this paycheck, like that kind of thing. Especially since I do like the cash envelope stuff, I really try to keep track of like where everything is going. And then I have a couple of other ones. Let's see. Here. And here. Okay. So, a very light month. Not much going on this month. I'm excited for September. I got a lot going on that month, so that one will be fun. But still, very excited to celebrate my nephew's 11th birthday. So yeah, can't wait for that. All right, so for the weekly pages, I'm gonna just figure out what spreads I plan on doing. This one I'm gonna do a planner spread, planner day spread, National Planner Day spread. I actually don't know what I wanna do. So, like exactly for that theme, so I'll have to figure that out. My nephew's birthday. So usually when I go to Disney, I do a Disney spread. And so I could do a Disney spread for this one. I haven't decided yet. I mean, it's gonna be my nephew's birthday, so Aiden's birthday. But he really likes Indiana Jones, so that would kind of be like, because he likes that, the birthday part, then also Disney part too. So I could do that. There's really not much else. Like usually I do like a holiday or something, but there's not really any holidays, so I could just do some sticker books that I haven't used yet. Oh, I know, there are some sticker books I haven't used. Okay, let me grab them. Okay, I was supposed to use this book last time, which I didn't. Oh, this is actually a big, that's okay though. I like the colors in here. So I'm gonna do this one, Gone Wild. Okay, so that one's figured out. There's a bunch of weeks in this one. So I have 2 more weeks to figure out here. When's the first day of fall? Oh, right here. Autumn begins in September. Okay, let me see what other books I have. I have this one. I have like a little bin of books that I keep the ones that I've never used before, so that way I can try to use them. But I don't know, this one's just like icons. Okay, I think for this one, because I haven't done, I'm on a Live Love Posh spread. Live Love Posh summer spread. I'll do one of those for myself. I've been doing a lot for my patrons. I think I only have like a 4th of July spread in here with those stickers. And then this week, okay, let me see what other books I have. This one's Summer Bucket List. This one's just a lot of functional stickers. So now, did I use this one already? This groovy one? I think I used this book. Oh yeah, I did use this book already. This theme is so funny. I mean, I do have this one. I haven't used this one. I'll do a groovy spread, why not? We'll see if that changes, but I'm putting groovy, but it's decades. 70s. Okay, so that's kind of the idea. I just like to have an idea of what I plan on doing. It could change, which is okay. Like maybe a new sticker book comes out, or I get a new sticker book that I'd rather use, then I can just change it up. But for the most part, that's kind of gonna be it for this planner. Since now I don't have a Franken planner, I'm just using this. My Catchall is just in one. So I'm gonna grab my social media planner next. All right, so this is my social media planner, and just gonna go to August. I need to change all of this up. There's so many weeks in here. And then here, I don't do anything in here. I just use it as it is. So the only thing I have to do is change up this. Okay. So since this is the teacher layout, it's only Monday through Friday. So I need to cover these up here. And label these with my categories that I like to use. Maybe I can use one of these books. Okay, it's like summer one because it has a lot of functional stickers in here. Actually, have I used this book yet? I might give this one away. I don't want to use this one. Okay. Let me go find another book. Okay, so I found a book that I haven't used in a bit, which is usually what I like to do when it comes to covering this stuff up, is just find an old book and use the stickers. So that's what I plan on doing here. So I'm going to take, these are perfect, these boxes, and just start covering all this up. One of my favorite ways to use these stickers, because honestly I really don't think, oh my gosh, I put that so crooked. I don't know why I don't take these pages out. I don't really think I'll be using this book again unless like somebody specifically asked for a spread from this book. But or if like I'm like I need blue stickers and I can grab this book. But other than that, like, I don't think I'm going to use this book to make a whole spread again. So that's why I like using it, the stickers this way. And this is perfect. It had a different color for each of these, so I like that. Okay, and then inside here, I just write my categories, which here I put YouTube. I love using the teacher layout like this. Patreon. Affiliates, Instagram, and I've been putting miscellaneous or other, I forgot. I always forget how I do this. Okay, I change it up sometimes. All right, and then on the top, I'm just gonna write the dates. So for this one, August starts on a Tuesday. So 1. So 31 for Monday. 2. And then you could use stickers up there, but honestly, I just find it so much easier to do it this way. It doesn't have to be pretty for me in this planner. Just functional. Okay, so that is it for this one. I'm going to move forward with this page and just use, let's see, I saw other boxes. Here, I have another row. Oh, I'm missing one. That's okay. I'm just going to pull whatever oh, there's these actually. These are perfect. Just to change it up a little bit. I like that these are, they look like they're like been painted on. So 1, 2, 3. And then with this book, like I can have it on hand for the month. And again, try to use more stickers from here. I don't put too many stickers, but you know, it's always nice to have stickers in your spreads. Okay, so label these: YouTube, Patreon, affiliates, Instagram, and miscellaneous. Okay, and then this one is the 7th, 8th, 9th, 10, 11, 12, and 13th. Okay, so I'm going to continue on. I have these. I'm going to try to find more boxes and make other boxes work for this. Okay, so I finished. I tried to find as many boxes as I could to do this. Okay, I was pretty successful. Only one of them is a little bit interesting. All right, so here's the first one. And these two I did on camera. And then I found these. They say top priority, but I don't mind that it says that because I just like the space there so I can write in the category. This one was the funny one. So yeah, those didn't fit perfectly, but they worked. Made them work. And then I just had another one of these, so I did that one again. Okay, so that is it for this social media one. And like I said, I'm going to keep this here because I can use like these other stickers. It's a pretty functional book, so I can use these within this spread too. And yeah, should be good. All right, so that is it for this planner setup for August. I feel like it was pretty short, but not much that I had to do this month for this upcoming month, so that's good. But yeah, that's gonna be it. Hope you all enjoyed watching. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, and if you want to see more, please hit that subscribe button, and I hope to see you in the next one.